evening, everyone, and welcome to 5 Animal Play Qigong, brought to you by the Tacoma Park Recreation Department. We now have all 5 animals, and we'll begin with the special warm-up that's been developed just for this set of exercises. Bring your arms out to the side, palms facing up to the heavens, and gather chi, that life force energy from the heavens. Bending your knees on the in-breath, straightening them on the out-breath. Breathe in, out. In, out. Keeping your hands and arms soft, your shoulders relaxed. Relax. And then palms facing down to the earth to gather energy from the earth. We begin this one with our knees bent and they straighten on the in-breath. In, out. In, out. Do the exercise very slowly with attention and focus. Then we gather chi from in front of us, arms to the side, palms facing toward one another. As you breathe in, sink down, straighten your legs on the out-breath. Gathering chi, bringing it in to your body, calming the mind and the emotions. Relax. And then draw chi from behind. As the hands go back, you raise up your heels on the in-breath and then relax and slightly bend your knees on the out-breath. In, out. Breathe, relax. And then gather the chi around your body, bringing it back toward the dantian 3 times. The last animal movement that we learned last week was the bear. So we'll do all three of the bear movements first, and then hopefully repeat them again at the end. The bear is solid, rooted firmly in the earth. Slow, heavy, powerful. So the first exercise is simply the bear lifting the leg, one at a time. Simply lift from the hip and place the foot back down. And feel that bear energy, the solidity, heaviness, the strength of the bear. Very good exercise for the hips. And then the bear stepping. So this time we lift from the hip and place the foot in front of the body, knee slightly bent, and then bring it back. Step and return. Don't forget to breathe. And feel your strength. You are enormous, solid. And that movement will be continued in our next class with several other arm movements added to it. But do keep practicing the lift from the hip. And then last week we added the bear waving its arms. So be sure you have a little bear paw for this one. And begin with the feet a good shoulder width apart, a firm horse stance, and the bear begins moving one arm forward and then another. Slowly raising up to its full height. Strong, powerful. And then the movement begins to come down. Into a squat. Good exercise for the knees, the hips, the ankles, and then up again. And slowly back down. When things are moving too fast, slow down a bit and practice the bear. becoming more solid on the earth. And then the deer, we will add quite a few more exercises for the deer beginning January 15th in our next class. But we have the deer standing majestically. So one foot goes forward, the hands raise, palms up, and then as they come back, you shift your weight back, the palms face down, then come up through the body, forming the deer antlers. So the middle two fingers are inside, the thumbs pointed out as the antlers raise up, standing majestically. Then release the antlers when they come down, form them again about heart level, and hold, breathing. Release, shift the weight back, draw the antlers, and hold. The deer is one animal you can see easily in the city these days with antlers, is quiet, peaceful, strong, majestic, confident. Other side, step forward, palms up, then bring them back, scan the body, form the antler, and hold majestically. Breathe out, form the antlers. Breathe. Form your antlers. Very beautiful. Then, when you need some agile, more playful movement, light but focused, the monkey is excellent for those qualities. The monkey paws are formed with the thumb on the back of the fingers. The first exercise is called monkey paws. We shrug the shoulders, come up on half toe, look to the left, the right, and relax. Form the pause, breathe in, look, relax. Form the pause, breathe, exhale. And notice the monkey has curious eyes looking to both sides. One more. Then the monkey looking. It's good to begin this with the feet slightly apart so that one foot can come close to the other in a half toe. One hand at your waist forms the tail, the other up above the head, looking over the left shoulder. Then step out as the right hand comes down, the left goes up, and the right foot forms a half toe as the monkey looks over the other shoulder. When you practice it for a while, it will just flow. And you can do a little bended knee and reach the foot out. Look. Focus. There might be a banana in that tree. Another monkey. And for the child in you, if you'd like to do it a little quicker, you can add a hop to one side, a little scratching, wiggling, some monkey sounds. Then, when you need to practice your balance, grace, flexibility, the crane is a wonderful bird to watch. The first movement is just the crane stretching the wings in front. On the in-breath, make sure that your hands are very soft and flowing as you breathe in and out. You can bend your knees a little to push off. Picture yourself ready to fly. The next crane exercise begins the same way. Be sure that you have enough space behind you to raise first your left leg and then your right. And as you raise one leg, concentrate on the leg that is holding your body rather than the one that is moving up in the air. So again, the hands just come up softly in the in-breath. On the out-breath, they part at the lower dantian, and you lift one leg back, stretching your wings toward the back. Then the other side, breathe in and out. Gently lift your leg. Breathe in, out. Breathe in, out. Breathe in, and just bring the chi back. Settle. And we have learned 3 tiger exercises. So the first is the tiger stretching. And first you form the tiger paw, which is fairly closed fist. Bring it up, and at shoulder level, release the fingers as you push up, and then form the paw again above your head. On the out breath, bring it down. Release the fingers at shoulder level. Push down. Form the paw again. Breathe in. Release. Out. Breathe in. Release. Breathe out. Breathe in. Out. Breathe in. Out. The tiger is also strong, fierce, powerful, courageous, awe-inspiring. When you need that tiger energy, stretch like a tiger. And if you have any negative chi, anger, frustration, anxiety, fear, we'll release it with tiger releasing. So 1 foot forward, 1 back. And the tiger gathers that negative chi from the lower dantian and thrusts it in front toward the earth. Breathe in and release. You can make a sound with it. Ha! Ha! Breathe in as you come back. Ha! Ha! Let go. And then other side. Come back and release. Ha! 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 Our bodies, minds, and emotions are really one. So doing a physical act like that can give relief to negative emotions or thoughts. The last tiger wards off enemies. The tiger startle. So you begin with a wide stance, horse stance, and relax the chi. But when you need some energy and strength, practice the tiger. It really works. Let's do the bear, which is our most recent addition to the sequences. Again, solid, assured, rooted in the earth. If your mind has been preoccupied, it's good to settle into the lower part of your body. Make sure that your legs and feet are solidly planted on the ground. Feet a bit apart, a little room under the arms to let the heart channel have plenty of space. And first, just step. The movement comes from the hip, so lift the hip up and place the foot down. So just lift, place, lift, place, lift, lift. This is not a movement that we do in our normal daily life, but it's very good for the hips. And then the bear stepping. It's time you bring the foot forward, put your weight on it, and bring it back. Again, the movement comes from the hip lifting and the hip bringing the foot and the leg back. Then the bear waving its arms. Might be getting ready to take care of a foe or just survey the woods for food, other animals. Solid, quiet, bringing the energy up slowly. Bear is very tall, strong. And then bring the energy down. Exercising those knees, hips, energy from the bear, the deer, the monkey, the crane, the tiger. All resources within our bodies creating calm, health, safety, strength, courage. We'll just do the last gesture of San Zhuang, extending that energy that we have cultivated out to all who are suffering, to all animals, people in the whole world who need healing, strong energy. Take a couple of breaths. Be well, be safe. We'll see you on our Saturday classes and again on Tuesdays in January. Check www.chicircles.com for information. Feel free to email us. Be well.